Hi everyone, it's me Melanie from Hammer Stardust, and today I'm really excited because I got an email from this website CRASPIRE, and they wanted me to review some of their products. They asked if I would be willing to review some of their stuff, and I was so excited and I said yes. Let me just get it out of the bag. So this video is gonna be sort of like an unboxing review kind of video, and so I just want to show you guys. Let's see, what do we do first? Okay, this is probably so they told me I could pick a couple of things, and I was able to pick some stuff, and this was the first thing that I picked because I've been wanting these for a while, to just make it easier on myself. And I got the little furnace. I'm so excited to have one of these. So that's the first thing. It's so pretty too. It looks really good. And then I got this. I picked this. This is like to do the wax seal on here and it doesn't stick. It's so pretty also. And then I got a couple of seals because I do have a spoon, and I do have some the little wax seals, the little pellets. So I decided to get some seals, and I got some of these heads because I have the thing that, let me show you. I have this from other seals, and it pretty much goes into any, so you can get the seals like this, and it's cheaper if you already have one of these. And they I will say this before I even use it, I did love their designs. They have so many to pick from, so it was hard to choose because they have so many. They have animals, like they have for if you need to do invitations for a party, a wedding, all of that stuff. And how pretty is this one with the moon and the little stars and I love that one. And you can put it on your little thing and it works out pretty perfectly. Oh, I hope I'm in frame here. So then I got another one of those wax seal heads. Let me see. This one was a little flower. I love the oval of this one because I don't have any with this shape. I love that. I hope you can see. And I hope I'm showing you correctly. So there's that, and then I got a little small one of those small seals. I love the tiny, I love mini things. So, and this one is a little swan. I don't know if you can tell there, but it's a little swan. It's so pretty. So I thought maybe, you know, as part of the review I could do some seals on here and try it out so that we see how it works. Okay, so yeah, I am on frame. Let's try some of them. I have my tea light. I think basically you just and you put this, you put this on here, right? And the little spoon, I'm not sure how many. I have these pretty ones, and let's do a purple. I wonder if one would be enough for the mini. serum, but let's do this one first. And maybe I'm really bad always at deciding how many to put in there, so maybe 4 is enough. We have to wait for it to melt. Okay, I think that might be good. Ooh, I'm so excited. And they have really pretty colors for their wax, little pellets. But I didn't pick any wax pellets because I just had recently gotten a bunch, and I have so many already that I was like, well, let's do let's do the little tiny one next, and let's pick these darker purplish ones. This one was like a mixture. We got mixed. I'm thinking 2 would be enough for the tiny one. So, oh, that's beautiful. See, it's such a beautiful design. Wow, that's really beautiful. And they also have on their site pens to color this, which I'm gonna use this one because I have this one already. But they have like pens, gold pens and silver and whatnot. I wonder if this one works. I haven't used it in a while. So this one's just like a Sharpie paint. So they basically have everything that you need to make beautiful wax seals for any occasion. Oh, I love this one so much with the little moon. I'm so happy I picked this one. I was thinking of picking this one or another one, and I'm so happy I chose this one. It's just so beautiful. And that's the thing, they have really unique designs. Like if you like witchy designs, they have a lot of those, which is what I was looking for. And so let's see how I take it off. Oh, that was so easy. Oh, isn't that great? I love that. It's beautiful. I'm sorry if you can hear my neighbors yelling. I don't know why they're yelling. So let's do the tiny one. I'm so excited. I love the tiny one, and I really want to see how it comes out, because I think I used too much wax. Maybe only 1 was enough. Yeah, that was quite a lot for this tiny. You live and you learn. Okay, so I'm gonna use then we started here. I'm gonna use this pink one to do this rose, and I think 4 will be enough. This is beautiful. It looks like vintage. And see, we change it from the thing. That easy. And I like that because you don't have a bunch of tools. I don't have a lot of space, so I don't have space to have a bunch of these things lying around. So I like to just get the heads. So we have our friend here. Beautiful, beautiful. And let's see how this one came out. Oh, I hope you can see that it's a swan. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm so happy with these. I will definitely be making a purchase. I will say I don't mind this, but it does come from China, I believe, so it does take a bit to get here. It took a little bit of time. I thought it got here pretty quick for how far it was coming from, but if you don't like to wait, beautiful, right? But I think it's worth it. You can find really unique designs. The prices are great. The prices are really good. And they also have handles that are, oh, I wanted to get one of those pretty handles, and I don't, like, I want to get one of the pretty handles, but I know I shouldn't because I don't have space. But they have really beautiful ornate gold and whatnot handles. Oh, I don't know what that noise is. I'm sorry if you can hear that. Let's just do the next one. Oh, this one turned out pretty because it has some leftover purple. Oh, I'm excited. This is my first oval, what seal making. Oh, did I get it right on the side? Yeah, I think it's all in there. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, there you go. I probably, oh, I messed up. It wasn't fully dry. I was gonna say I probably could have put less swats. That one didn't work out too well. Maybe we can try it again. There it is. You can see how beautiful. And I'm gonna have a link to all of the, to their website and to each specific thing. If you like, this comes in different colors and shapes also. I should have mentioned that. So if you want to get this one or the little furnace, or if you want to get any of these specific seals that I got, there will be a link to each specific one in the description box. Don't forget to check them out, and don't forget to stay tuned because I will be doing some videos, a couple of videos on some ideas for using wax seals in your junk journaling and your things that you make. So stay tuned for that. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye guys.